If you haven't been able to tell already from the less than subtle exterior wrap, this is our mini challenge safety car. We're offering a brand new 70mm stainless steel GPF-back exhaust, along with a range of 114mm tailpipes, this being polished Daytona, black ceramic Daytona and carbon Ascari, as can be seen on the back of this. For those wanting all-out noise, we're offering a GPF-delete section. Today we're running the GPF-back system alongside our GPF-delete, and overall the soundtrack is monumental. And as you can hear, it has an excellent tone.